All right guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about a product that I have been using so much. And I saw this on Electric Channel and I thought, is this really worth it? So I decided to buy one and oh my goodness guys. This is called the Voltclaw. Let me tell you, talk about an awesome piece of equipment. Here it is. Can you make one by yourself? Absolutely. But this one has so many features on it. I'm going to show you. First of all, when you get it, this is the way it looks. It comes in a package with a bag and it's sitting in a bag like this. This is the company. I will leave a link down below. Believe me when I say, this is worth the money. If you're pushing wires in a box repeatedly, you've got a pusher right on the end of this thing. You can reach in there. Look how much length you got on there. You can reach in that box and you can push your wires in there. Ever try to put a device in and it's just so crowded? Well, I'm going to show you one right here in a minute. And you try to put your finger in there, and by the time you pushed 30 or 40 boxes in, your thumb, your fingers, they're getting sore because you're pushing. Not anymore, not with this. This thing is amazing. It has a hook, so you can reach up into the box right here, on this little hook right here. You can reach up into the box, and you can pull your wire back out. It also, that little hole right there, as you see, it is a loop. So you can make your loops on your wire. Hooks, if you want to call them that. All right, I don't use this part of this, but this is a wire nut twister, which I do not use. I just don't really find that much use. You also have another hook right there. Hook, and then you can put your wire inside there and you can turn it. So if you need to turn a wire and then push it in, you have that option. It's a pretty amazing tool. Very, very well built. Can't remember whose channel I saw this on, but when I saw that I thought, man, I'm one of those guys who see things and I'm like, I'm going to try it out. So Amazon link will be down below for this. Let's get into a box and I'll show you how amazing it is. All right, this would be a typical scene. You would have your joints already kind of pre-made up. We're going to go ahead and we're going to put them together real quick. Put our wire nuts on. And then we'll push this back in the box. Now ordinarily, when I do my boxes, I would do ground in there the neutral hot. So that's what we're going to do. But we're going to keep in mind that we're going to use the Voltclaw because this is where it becomes so helpful. So put the first one in there and you see, let me pull you a little closer. Don't be shy. See how it's in there? Like that? When you take the Voltclaw, you push right up against here and it literally pushes it all the way to the back of the box. You do not have to use your fingers to do that. You can see how far back in the box this ground is. It's amazing, guys. Can you agree with that? Well, let's put the neutral in and see what happens. We're going to put our black up here. We're going to put our neutral in here. All right. You see what I got? I'm going to use the Voltclaw. We're going to push it in. Look how tight that is in the back, guys. That is, let me pull you up a little close. Same thing for the black. We're going to put it in. And we'll push it in with the Voltclaw. And hit the camera on the way in. There. Now you are tight in this box. All right, let's say you want to get it out. So you just use your hook, you go in there, wrangle it in, boom. You want the neutral out? All right, now that one's tight. So we use the turning feature on this thing. So we'll get it in there, get it in, and we'll pull it out. And then we can use the hook and pull the rest of it out. That way we can keep our fingers from getting in there and getting shocked. So you may be thinking, wow, you can just make this. You can. But, I mean, for the low price of this, it's worth its weight in gold. I've used this exclusively. I've used it when I worked in my industrial plant to pull wires out of PLC cabinets, to pull wires out of starters, the ones that were loose. You reach in there, hook it, pull it right out. I'm telling you, If you use this, you'll be so amazed. I mean, I'm gonna leave the link down below. You can do what you want with it, but I'm telling you, I think you're gonna be very, very, very impressed. I love this thing and I will continue to love it. Now, if you wanna see a video on me literally unboxing this right here, this is a Klein staple gun. Now, I'm using the bigger staples in here, and I literally unboxed the first time on camera just for a test run. You may want to see how I feel about it. If you want to see that video, click right here in it. You will go there. I'll meet you there. It's a pretty short video. Basically, I'm just showing you the ins and outs of this thing. If you like what you see, like and subscribe. God bless, and I'll see you in that video. Have a good day.